Do we have a fire extinguisher?
There's one in the cellar that was from when you lived here many moons ago.
So no.
No.
Alright. Because I just built this computer by myself. And I'm going to turn on the power.
Okay.
So just get ready to run.
Okay. Well, if there'd be a monitor, you could see if it's doing anything.
Well, I just wanted to make sure it didn't blow up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, fans are spinning. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's working. Sweet. It's a temporary setup for now. It's working. I have the 32-inch TV or monitor. The NZXT build. I'm still not done with the wire management. But yeah, it works. And it didn't blow up. I'm happy. I'm sad my GoPro didn't work very well. But hey. I built the computer by myself. It's awesome.